So about the dating process before niamue kwenda, now this is me as a man, before sasa niamue okay, this is the woman I want to marry, I want to engage her. Kulikuwa na kitu ilikuwa inanisumbua akili. Okay, haikuwa inanisumbua, nilikuwa nataka kuwa very careful about it, ni get to know all the answers, how to approach it. Is the fact that this amazing woman here alikuwa na mtoi. So my friend, jamii, community, social workers, everyone, oh, why, oh, you're a good man, you should not. So there was all that noise that was coming from everyone, even sometimes from the family. But remember wakati nilikuwa nasema tukianzia, as a man you should know your vision, you should know where you're going, and you should know what you want in life. Of course si kila kitu utajua, but the fact that you're surrendering yourself to God will guide you. So hii time nilikuwa na pray a lot sana, because nilikuwa najua okay, if I engage this woman, I am agreeing to be the father of this young boy, na atakuwa mtoi wangu, na huyu atakuwa wife yangu, and I'll treat him like my son. So although everyone was saying no, hapana, but the guy was amazing. You know, they didn't meet this young man. He's an amazing boy. He's my firstborn now. He's so intelligent, he's so smart, and he's lovely. And so when I was looking at my wife, I didn't see, and I think this is just God who allowed me to see her as the woman that she is and who God has prepared her to be, and not with the mistakes she made in the past, because the mistakes she made in the past do not actually define her. She has a whole definition, na ni God tu anaweza kufanyia vitu kama hizo. So that was first test. Lazima ningepita niulize maswali, of course, speak out to my mentors, hear what they would say, and then of course now pray, and nikaomba God manzea nisaidie to make a decision. And I'm glad I made the decision that I made, because I'm the happiest man in the world. So ilikuwa difficult kidogo to make hizo decision, but it was worth it. So and then after nilishaamua, then kumit wazazi wake was a no-brainer. So although nilikuwa nashtuka kidogo juu venye hiyo mtaa ilikuwa inakaa, but wazazi wake pia ni wa kind, they are loving. Yeah, na wakati niliamua this is a woman I want to engage, it was because of her character, the person she is, her relationship with God, which is very important. Uja nikwambie manzi, ukipata demu ameokoka, kuna vitu mingi sana hauta discuss na yeye, because God ashadili na yeye. Yeah, so that is one great advantage. So uko hapo unatafuta kamsi, nje kutafuta mwenye ameokoka, na pia si kuokoka tu, kuwa na relationship na Christ. That is very important.
Yeah, so as we were preparing for the dowry session and all that, the dowry event, so there was also, you know, the fact that my parents have to accept him, and his parents also have to accept me. I went through a period where I had to deal with, you know, hiyo story kwa a single mom, na parents pia wako na issue nayo. Someone just came and told me, Ivy, make sure you don't take offense, just love them as Christ loves you. So I didn't take it personally. I understood, because I knew even for me, if I found a man who maybe had a child before marriage, I'd want to know whether they are their path is they set their path on the right they set the right path, what their character is like. It's a concern which is understandable. So just allowing them to get to know us for who we are, and looking past that, and also forgiving here and there, and also enjoying the process, and knowing that it is God who has allowed this good thing to happen to me.
So dowry imekam, hata si dowry kwanza, time ya introduction imefika. So gather my friends, nawaambia ni aje majamaa, so we are going. So nitafuta bishti yangu fulani anaitwa Nelson, yeye na kizungu wanaelewananga, na wife yake Nelson na Sly, kizungu wako sawa. Nilikuwa najua tukienda hapa sitaongea sana, lakini hawa jamaa nikamwambia Jo, make sure unatumia ambiguous words, kama mi ningeamua nitumie majina kubwa kubwa ningetumia tu chlorophyll. So at least hao walikuwa wanajua vitu kadhaa. So walifika and then it was easy. Nikwambia wazazi wake they are amazing. Great people. Kind, yani they are so welcoming, they love visitors. But acha nikuambie, roho yangu before tufike ilikuwa inapiga kama tum drums of West Africa. Gudu, gudu, gudu. Hiyo I think hapo ndio beat ya mapiano ilitoka. Hapo hivyo. Yeah, but ilienda smooth. Hata sijui nini nilikuwa naogopa. Ilienda tu vizuri.